In front of me is iPad 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Passwords app and entering your current passcode. Now use this plus at the bottom right corner of this section on the left and input all of those informations. At the top, select one of your apps or any website. Enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. Then hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!